लाइट क्यों जगा दी है? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं बस अभी उठा हूँ। आई स्लेप्ट एट 5:20 because I was editing last night. I still have to get into the groove of editing things faster so that I can sleep early and then अगर ये daily होने वाला है then this is gonna be my life of pulling all-nighters. And now I'm just gonna go get ready क्योंकि आज रक्षाबंधन है। हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन गाइस। आज फ़िलहाल सबसे पहले हम नानी घर जाएंगे and then we'll come back because my bua and other relatives are gonna be here. So it's gonna be really exciting. I'll see you guys post the digital intro. So cue my intro. I'm surviving on just 3 hours of sleep. I slept at around 5:20 and it's 8:45. I'll just nap for like 10 minutes. All ready to go. It's backlight. Happy Raksha Bandhan. नहीं अच्छी लग रही है। मेरे को एक हैंकी चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत पसीना आ रहा है। चलो। So I'm heading to the bank for some work with my dad, and also the first vlog of the Daily vlog is live. I've yet to post on social media. It's live and I hope you guys like it. I have to still read comments. I'm gonna do that while I'm in the car. Just right now. I'll see you guys. अब ये टैन शूज है ना? करा दो? नहीं ये टैन शूज हैं, देखो बहुत पॉलिश होती है। ये तो ब्राउन हो जाएंगे ना फिर। अब वो टैन ही आएंगे। करा दो? नहीं ठीक है, देखता हूँ एक सेकंड। ठीक लग रहे हैं यार। I'm going to post it on Instagram. What is up everyone? The new vlog, day 1 of the Daily vlog is live. I'll put a swipe up link. Swipe up, check it out. Let me know if you liked the digital intro of this vlog. Let me know. So we've reached this bank. I don't know if I can vlog inside. I don't think I should vlog inside. So I'll probably catch you guys post this bank interaction. I actually don't know anything about finances, banking, anything. I'm in the bank. I know nothing about banking and finances, even though I'm a commerce student, but you guys know it. That was never my calling. Today I've realized that it's really out of my comfort zone. I don't understand terminologies like ये किस में credit करना है और ये किस में debit करना है. We are done with the bank work and now we are heading to Nanima's house. And we have reached Nani's house. Let's go meet everyone. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hi Watan. What's up?
Oh, same color की शर्ट.
आज का ग्रीन है।
Hello. No, अभी नहीं.
कितना क्यूट है ये, कितना क्यूट है ये, कितना क्यूट है। How are you? Happy Rakhi.
मेरे स्टार
Daddy.
और मेरे स्टार
Happy Rakhi.
कैमरा नमा
नहीं ये पुराना वाला ही है।
Happy Rakhi.
Look at his outfit. दिखाना जरा। कुर्ता पजामा।
वो पूछ रहे हैं ऑल वेल क्वेश्चन मार्क
उसको लगा कुछ गेम है ये।
बड़ी सी राखी
राखी डाली इतने से हाथ पे लटकी हुई।
मेरे को अच्छी लगती थी बचपन में बड़ी बड़ी राखियाँ। मम्मी कल के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू
For the best kheer ever.
फॉर द बेस्ट खीर एवर। हेलो मामू मामी प्रिया।
मैं इधर थोड़ी देर कैमरा कर देती हूँ आपकी तरफ। बस इधर आ जाओ। हेलो हेलो।
से हाय से हाय।
अच्छा अभी आपको दिखा देते हैं।
हैप्पी राखी।
वैसे मैं तो चिपता हूँ। बहन है राखी बांधी भैया ब्रदर दिया। नहीं डैडी नहीं
And now it is my turn. Noor Didi is here. Yeah, she's looking pretty as always.
चलो पैर छू बेटा।
पैर छुओ।
God bless you। क्या खाएगा? मैं केक खिला।
कुछ भी चलेगा आज तो मीठा कुछ भी चलेगा। What do you want to eat?
Whole wheat cake।
It's a whole wheat cake and Noor has made this cake which is amazing.
चलो God bless you।
Mwah.
This is for my brother. दीदी तुम्हें डाला।
बस ये आप भी हाथ लगा सकते हो।
This is for her कथई। This is for my brother.
मतलब I am your brother now also.
Yeah.
Okay?
You have more duties to do now. बेचारा बच्चा डेली 5 छुट्टी कौन ना?
हमू आपकी साइड की मैंने
क्या खाना
बनवाई।
पूछो?
क्या खाना है? ये सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, केक भी है।
ओके खिला दिया। मेरे को
Because health died. या मम्मा थोड़ा तो यार। या किसी ने बोलना ही नहीं हमारे को वो।
छड़िया गिरना मूली छड़िया भी बहन ने राखी बांधी भैया तो जुग जुग जी बहन तो भी जुग जुग जी खुश रहो। जीते रहिए और आपको कुछ चाहिए।
आप मुझे बताइए आप क्या खाना चाहेंगी?
पता है कौन आ गया?
खुशी श्रुति गुलाब जामुन दीजिए मुझे। सो मच लव यू।
Sorry भैया अगर इतनी अच्छी ना बनते। I'm not really good at it, but
It's fine. It's looking very nice. Yummy? बोलो 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 जो भी बोलते हैं।
आना भैया मेरी राखी
बचपन में मुझे बहुत ही बड़ी बड़ी राखियाँ पसंद थी। अब मुझे ऐसी ही मिनिमलिस्ट राखियाँ पसंद हैं। बाय गाइस।
रजत अब तो खाली तो नहीं होगा हमारे
तो आप घर आइए हम इकट्ठे देखते हैं बैठ के टीवी पे। मेरी एक OOTD पिक्चर खींच देगी
देखूंगी अगर मेरा मन करेगा तो
प्लीज।
हाँ ऑब्वियसली खींचूंगी।
Whoa, let me show you. Anshu! Wow, happy Rakhi.
थैंक यू बेटा।
आके जफ्फी डालो भैया को और दोबारा बोलो हैप्पी राखी रजत भैया।
हैप्पी राखी भैया।
पारी भी कर दो एक।
इतना वो बीच रह गया।
मुझे भी कर दो।
जैसे हमने पहले वाली वीडियो खींची थी। हे हाय हेलो बटन।
So after an hour nap, we have both our buas here. Let me show you. Hi. Madhav is here. Purva is here. Uncle is here. Shankar is here. Happy Rakhi. भैया के हैंड पे किसी दे दो जल्दी। Thank you very much. That's like a good baby.
यार बैठे रहते करते हम कर तंग कर जन्नत बच्चे नहीं अपने फिट हो गए
और उत्थे रखनी बात
आ जाओ बाहर क्या करना है
चेक तुला निकला नया
पूर्वा दीदी.
May you get more success in your life.
चलो गिफ्ट दे दो तेरे
ये थोड़ी बिंदी लग रही है, ये थोड़ा सा इसको टीका बनाएंगे.
टीका बना इसमें साफ
ये तो मैंने पहले भी खाया था.
Finally done with all of the Rakhis. Honestly, as much as festivals are fun, they're also very tiring. Also because I slept late, I slept in the morning like at 5:30. I've not had enough sleep, so maybe it's because of that. But I'm gonna make myself and everybody else some coffee. So let's do that. Okay, let me show you guys this amazing brand of coffee. So I'm not much of a coffee drinker. मुझे चाय कॉफ़ी दोनों पसंद है. Like when I was in Mumbai, I used to go with my friend Varsha and Khushbu. By the way, I miss you guys. If you're watching this, I miss you guys so much. तो वर्षा और खुशबू के साथ मैं जाता होता था स्वदेश. हमारे घर के पास एक साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट था एंड वहाँ पर हम स्पेशल चाय पीते थे ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ऑल्टरनेटिव डे. And so I like chai also. I like elaichi wali achhi chai, but I also like coffee sometimes. And this is one brand that I've discovered very recently. It's called Beanies. This is very vanilla flavor. It's a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. मतलब मैं ये Nescafe की coffee भी use करता हूँ. If you guys happen to find this in a grocery store around you, you should definitely try this if you're a coffee lover. It's very nice. Also, did you check out my latest picture on Instagram? I'm kind of creating a theme here. This is what I need right now. Cheers, guys. So I don't know if you can see this, but we get amazing light during the evening in our kitchen. Photos तो खिंचवाएंगे Instagram के लिए. Let me just tell you something very, very honest. What you see on Instagram is not real. Like, we are sweating and there's going to be a lot of editing and filters to make this feed look aesthetic. So for all of you who, including me, I compare myself to so many people on Instagram, how amazing their life looks and how amazing their stories are and how amazing they look in their pictures. But now when I do it, I understand that not all of it is true and a lot of it is made up, because again, it's good to do it's good to post good pictures on Instagram and the highlights of our lives, but at the end of the day, I think we are all humans and we all go through our ups and downs. So take Instagram like a chill thing, not so seriously. That was my TEDx talk. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was a Rakhi special and you got to see all of my family, most of my family. I, as a daily-ish vlogger, need to understand how to space out content, because मेरे पास पूरे दिन में इतना कुछ बोलने को और दिखाने को होता है. And then I'm like, no, it's not that I'm gonna do this just now. I'm gonna do it regularly, daily-ish, so I can space out my content. So आज का vlog मैं यहीं खत्म करता हूँ. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below कि आज के vlog में से सबसे special moment आपको कौन सा लगा. Let me know in the comments below. If you have any requests and any suggestions and any constructive criticism that you have for my vlogs, just please put it in the comments down below, because I go through all of your comments and I would love to improve, because honestly I am also learning while I'm doing this. That being said, stay positive, stay happy, be nice to yourself, be nice to other people, don't be so hard on yourself, and don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say anything?
Hi.
Baby. Like, comment, subscribe.